wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of central, south central, southwest, and west central Louisiana. When? From 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Tuesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Hazardous marine